process begins when the rusty wheels arrive at our wheel refinishing center in Orange, Massachusetts. The palletized wheels are unloaded, checked in, and staged for the burn-off oven. This oven will heat the wheels to 800 degrees, causing the old finish to turn to smoke, which gets them ready for the shot blaster. The wheels are then moved to the automated shot blaster work area. The automated shot blaster uses small metal pellets to remove any remaining rust or finish and leaves the wheels texturally prepared for powder coating. This is an important step as proper wheel preparation produces a better and longer lasting finish. The wheels are checked and any lingering rust or finish is removed before the wheel is loaded onto the monorail system. The monorail system transports the wheels to our automated powder coating robot, Frank. Frank will properly powder coat each wheel, ensuring both full coverage and proper finish thickness. Once the wheel is fully powder coated, it travels via the monorail to the curing oven, which cures the finish, making it both durable and pleasing to the eye. The wheels are sorted and palletized to be loaded onto the delivery truck to be returned to the customer.